everyone, and welcome to our Storytime craft. This is the first video that we will be having for our fall Storytime session, and today we are making a craft that goes with our Storytime theme of reading rhythm, because I'm going to show you how to make a DIY egg shaker. So for today's craft, I ended up using a plastic egg that you usually find around springtime, around Easter. I had these leftover gold beads from a different craft and also leftover washi tape. But the great thing about this craft is you can use literally anything you have at home. So if you don't have a plastic egg, you can use an egg carton and cut that up and then glue both of the two pieces of it together. If you don't have little small beads at home, you can use rice, or you can use like bird seed. That works too. And then if you don't have either of these things, if you have a little container at home that has a lid, you can fill it with anything as long as it makes a little shaky sound. So this is a very easy craft to do at home using anything you might have, as long as it makes a shaky noise. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So before putting the washi tape on, I have already filled my plastic egg with the gold beads that I had on hand. I did do a shaky test just to make sure that I was satisfied with the noise, and once I thought the noise was good enough, I started to cover it with the washi tape. So here I am covering my plastic egg with washi tape. I'm using my thumb to flatten out the washi tape to make sure that it lays flat so I can place the next strip down, and also to make sure that my shaker egg is nice and secure so that when I use it, a whole bunch of rice or beads or whatever you decided to fill your container with doesn't spill out. Alright, and that is how you make a DIY egg shaker using the materials that I had lying around.